The last question is, what kind of security does the software provide?
The way data is collected, secured, stored, and shared is a crucial part of any software.
Make sure to review the security page for any software you are considering purchasing. You may also want a compliance officer or lawyer to review security documents before signing any contracts. In addition, always look at the privacy policy of any software you are considering. This should outline everything you need to know regarding data collection, storage, and usage.